All right, on this problem, they want us to find the limit as x approaches 5. My numerator is the square root of x minus 1, a minus 2, over x squared plus x minus 30. Now that factors to be an x plus 6 times an x minus 5. And right there I can see, if we're looking for where the limit as x approaches 5, if you put 5 right there, 5 minus 5 gives you 0. And 0 times whatever, that's 0. So you can't just plug in the 5. You have to simplify this thing or do some what I like to call math magic. And because your numerator has a radical in it, we are going to multiply. I don't know why I put an equal sign down there. We're going to multiply that times its conjugate, which would be the square root of an x minus 1 plus 2. But I have to do the exact same thing to the bottom. Now I can put my equal sign. Now the bottom, I'm actually not going to multiply that at all. I'm going to leave it in factored form, because what I'm hoping to happen is I will get an x minus 5 in the numerator, or a 5 minus x, so I can cancel it. Somehow I want to cancel it out. But I do have to simplify the numerator. So remember, you're going to take first times first. And if you take the square root of an x minus 1 times another square root of an x minus 1, that's the square root of an x minus 1 squared. And the squared and the square root cancel each other out, so you're just left with x minus 1. And then if you remember on conjugates, when you multiply the outsides and the insides, they cancel out when you add them together. Because on the outside, I'd have a positive 2 times the square root of an x minus 1. And on the inside, I'd have a negative 2 times the square root of an x minus 1, which would give me 0 square roots of an x minus 1, which is 0. So they cancel out when you multiply something times its conjugate. And then I'm just going to take last times last, and last times last, a negative 2 times a positive 2 is a negative 4. And right there you can see x minus 1 minus 4 becomes an x minus 5. And now that x minus 5 cancels this x minus 5. They become 1s. And so what you're left with is 1 over an x plus 6 times the square root of an x minus 1 plus 2. And it is at this point I can now take the limit as x approaches 5 and stick 5 here and 5 there. So this becomes 1 over 5 plus 6 times the square root of 5 minus 1 plus 2. The 5 plus 6 is an 11. 5 minus 1 is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 11 times 4 makes it 44. So it's 1 over 44. That is the limit as x approaches 5. 1 over 44. And how to do? Ta-da!